Okay, battery was pretty much discharged, barely turned over. Then I got like the click, click, click thing going. Charged battery, nothing new. It's just the history of this vehicle. When in doubt, charge it and it works. However, I'm getting an idle issue where I've not had that type of idling issue before. So my guess is it's not the sensors, but I just took off this one. I think it's a throttle position sensor. I forget exactly because it's been like 6 years before I've worked on. I'm going to take off the mass air pressure, and it might be a mass airflow sensor. I forget it's that sensor. I think on this one it's a MAP. This one tested 40. I've never actually tested this before. So the outer leg and the inner leg, the center and the outer center and the other outer are basically inverses of each other. Looks like about 4,600 K kilo-ohms. Starting, then going to 0 on the one leg. The other leg goes from 0 to 4,600 K. I think that's right. So on the 20 K and then 4 point. This, and what's going to happen is I'm going to go ahead and I have to probably idle it to, I'm going to have to apply throttle until idle's smooth and slowly depressing the throttle till that sensor mechanism can take design. So yeah, anyways, so I'm going to go ahead and start it up. Oh, right. So I'm going to gas it and see how it responds. I'm going to gas it more and see how it responds. So it seems to be slow to correct still, but let's go even more. So it seems to be slow to correct. Man, is that all it was? Is that throttle position sensor need to be taken out and moved? Like it's like needed a full range of motion and put back on? Seriously? That's it? That is like the thing on this thing that's kind of funky, so... And the last, it's been 6 years, and that's a consumable I've changed before and cleaned. Oh man, no kidding. So I gotta put the air intake back on, and then probably gonna have to adjust the computer a little bit before it gets strange. But man, no engine code either. That is just so wonky, that sensor is. Anyways, but be safe, stay healthy, and until next time. Seems like it's cooperating now.